Here's how to use white noise effectively to improve your baby's sleep. Choose a consistent sound. Many white noise machines or apps offer various sounds, like fan noises, rain, or ocean waves. Choose one that's simple and doesn't have a lot of variation in volume or tone, as these changes can wake a baby. A classic white noise or gentle fan sound works best. Set the volume appropriately. White noise should be loud enough to mask background sounds but not too loud that it could damage hearing. Pediatricians recommend keeping white noise machines at a volume similar to a soft shower, around 50 decibels, and placing them a few feet away from your baby's crib.